Hi, this is Keel's Garage. Welcome to today's video where we're diving into the world of automotive excellence. Today, I'm thrilled to unveil the top 5 best shocks for Toyota Tundra. Whether you're seeking durability, performance, or both, we've got you covered. So, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment for more updates. Let's dive in. Number 1. Detroit Axles 4WD strut shocks for Toyota Tundra Complete, the ultimate solution for smooth rides and enhanced handling. Crafted with precision engineering, these shocks ensure optimal performance on any terrain, from rugged off-road adventures to daily commutes. With their durable construction and advanced technology, they provide maximum stability and comfort, making every drive a pleasure. Upgrade your Tundra's suspension with Detroit Axles' reliable and high-quality shocks for unparalleled driving experience. Get ready to conquer the road with confidence and style. Number 2. Automuto Strut Spring Assembly Front Pair Shock Absorber Fit. Engineered for optimal performance, these shock absorbers ensure a smooth and comfortable ride, even on the roughest roads. With a precision-engineered design, they provide excellent stability and control, enhancing your vehicle's handling and safety. The high-quality construction and durable materials ensure long-lasting reliability, giving you peace of mind mile after mile. Upgrade your driving experience with Automuto Strut Spring Assembly Front Pair Shock Absorber Fit today. Number 3. Autosaver 88's front and rear pair complete quick strut shocks compatible with a range of vehicles. These struts offer seamless installation, making them perfect for DIY enthusiasts. Engineered for durability and performance, they ensure a smooth ride even on rough terrain. With a direct fit design, they eliminate the hassle of complicated modifications. The premium quality construction promises long-lasting reliability, while the integrated shock absorbers provide excellent stability and control. Experience enhanced driving comfort and confidence with Autosaver 88's Quick Strut Shocks. Number 4. Monroe Quick Strut Suspension Strut and Coil Spring Assembly for Toyota Tundra. Engineered for optimal performance, this assembly ensures a smooth ride and enhanced stability on the road. Featuring a complete, ready-to-install design, it saves time and hassle during installation. The high-quality components guarantee durability and long-lasting reliability, while the precise engineering ensures perfect fitment for your Toyota Tundra. Say goodbye to bumpy rides and hello to superior comfort and control with Monroe Quick Strut Suspension Strut and Coil Spring Assembly. Number 5. AutoShock's front and rear complete struts coil springs and shock absorbers set for replacement. Engineered for seamless performance, these struts ensure a smooth ride and superior handling on the road. Crafted with precision, they offer durability and reliability, providing optimal support for your vehicle's suspension system. With easy installation, you'll experience enhanced comfort and stability in no time. Say goodbye to bumpy rides and hello to smooth travels with AutoShock's complete strut set. Upgrade your driving experience today. In conclusion, selecting the right shocks for your Toyota Tundra is crucial for optimal performance and comfort. Whether it's enhanced off-road capability or smoother on-road handling, there's a perfect match for your needs. We hope this guide has helped you narrow down your choices. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Share for more updates and videos.